A local warming shelter says that they're helping neighbors needing a place to stay. Christ in Neighbor Church in Rogers says it's continued to help those in need throughout the week despite the snow. They house people overnight in 3 sections, men, women, and families, serving up to 20 people a night. They've seen a majority of single men, but have helped 2 families. They provide food, cots, blankets, and other necessities. Scott Page, the lead pastor, says that this was all made possible through community donations.
From the people that come in who are unhoused and we get to meet and just hear their story, we're blessed by them and we're blessed by our community that meets their needs.
So Christ in Neighbor Church has been open overnight from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. this week, but Friday and Saturday they'll be open 24 hours.